Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my Easy Digital Miter Gauge. Now this video gives you a few different types of miter gauges. Below the article you get a full review of how this works. If you click the link in the article, you will go to a page that has basically every type of miter gauge that you could possibly imagine, the prices, the reviews. You click below, it would customize based on the country you're in. So you get a full lineup of all the different miter gauges available and the prices. So the pictures are just a demonstration or illustration of what some miter gauges look like. But when you click the link below, you'll get a full outline of hundreds of different miter gauges and the prices and the reviews. The video just gives you a little bit of information about these devices, and the link below will give you an opportunity to order this item at the best price possible. So don't forget to click the link below, read through the article so you know more about miter gauges, or you maybe you're ready to order. So you can go below, click the link, and get started today. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.